can see today I have something more fun, more atrevido. So I really wanted to play with these gold flakes and to be a little bit more creative. And also I wanted to do a wing liner, a red wing liner, but this is not the best wing liner. This is from NYX, and you cannot go over and over again to build the color because this gets chunky and doesn't feel right on the eyes. So I didn't want to ruin this makeup look. Also, I wanted to play a little bit more with my Subculture and my Dream Street because I kind of forgot about them, and that makes me sad. I really want to use all my eyeshadow palettes, but I only have 2 eyes, so that's kind of hard. And yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this fun makeup look, then please keep watching. guys, this is the final result. I really love how this turned out. I saw something very similar on Instagram, so I'm going to insert the picture right here. So that was kind of my inspiration for this makeup look, and that's it. I really hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Dang, we have a party going on outside and I wasn't even invited. That's kind of shady.